Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about how to payment success by using choice button. How to payment success by using choice button and enumeration using choice button. Okay. Now first of all we're gonna create on this design on a choice button. So first is choice label. Now we're gonna create on this choice label. Okay, choice label. Now create on this choice label. So choice label is type of UI label. This is the lazy loading and lazy lambda, and it's called this is the called lazy loading. This is called lazy lambda. So we're gonna set on this text select at a time 1. Okay. Now next create on this designing credit view. Sorry, continue button. Which have this is a continue button. So continue, this is a lazy loading button, and we're gonna set on the set title and on this at target. So extension. Sorry, this is a checkout extension. So choice button we control, this is a view controller, and add on this extension, this is a add on this target. So we're gonna add on this, suppose this is the enumeration. So checkout payment type properties. So this is a fill this commented in this object base. Okay. Now second is the continue button. Continue button we're gonna apply on this at continue at target. Continue button we're gonna apply on this at target, and in this situation solutions and at target. Okay. So and this we're gonna apply on this border color and CG color. We're gonna apply on this, suppose this is a, and now we're gonna apply on border color and set title. So second thing we're gonna create on this and second this is a restaurant view. So this is a restaurant view. First pay at hotel image view. This is a circle not fill image, and we're gonna get on the lazy loading on this image. Okay. And second thing is the restaurant image view. So restaurant image view we're gonna add on this pay at hotel title label, pay at hotel, pay at restaurant. Okay. And this is the container view, image and coupon container. Suppose this is the image and coupon container view, and we're gonna add adding on this pay at hotel, pay at hotel image view, and pay at hotel image view. This is a pay at hotel text and pay at hotel image view. Okay. Now we're gonna apply on this constants on this designing constants, and we're gonna apply on this shadow. This is the apply on this shadow, and we're gonna apply on this false color, and this apply on this pay at hotel actions. So second thing we're gonna create on this credit view. Same purpose of this credit view. So credit view we're gonna apply on this image view lazy loading, and second thing we're gonna create on this credit view pay at hotel titles, and add on this sub views container. We're gonna apply on this constant and apply on this credit view actions. This is a credit view action. Okay. So second thing we're gonna create on this container view. So container this is the UI stack view. So stack view we're gonna add on this arrange sub view, choice label, and restaurant view, and create view, and continue button. We're gonna add on this stack view, and stack view we're gonna add on set on this property. Suppose this is the axis vertical, alignment leading, and spacing 30, and distribution fill proportionally. And we're gonna add on this container view sub view dot add sub view, and this is a container view. And as layout constant, suppose we're gonna apply on the dot activate and apply on the center y and center x. So container view dot center x anchor dot constants equal to view dot center x anchor, and container view dot center y anchor dot constant equal to view dot center y anchor. Okay. And second thing we're gonna create on this create view action checkout payment type. This is the online, and we're gonna create on the checkout payment type properties. So second thing we're gonna create on this enumeration which is type of raw value string, and this is a and which I apply on these two cases, online and cash. Okay, now first is we're going to put on the checkout payment type. Checkout payment type, which is type of checkout payment type enumeration. This is the checkout payment type enumeration, which is type of checkout payment type enumeration. Okay, and we're gonna, this is the computed property, computed var, and this is divided set. We're gonna change the regardless checkout payment type. Otherwise case is online, so create image we change, circle is fill and circle is not fill, and otherwise case, but after image change, pair total image pair create. Okay, or second thing we're gonna create on this add target. In this, suppose which we're gonna create with checkout payment type dot online, apply on this actions checkout payment type online, otherwise checkout payment type continue button action. We're gonna apply on this, otherwise not select this error, add on this alert in this present on this alert. Okay, otherwise online, otherwise case on so let v is equal to order successfully view controller. So this is the order successfully view controller, and order successfully, this is which is title label, and which we add on this view did not only simple. Okay, and this is same is case and same is online. Okay, now we're gonna run this application, check on this UI. So pay at restaurant, pay at hotel. Select pay at restaurant, pay at hotel, and this continue button. So pay at hotel continue successfully, and this is the pay at restaurant continue successfully. So in this add on this hierarchy of navigation controller, and this is the best designing on this UI, handling on this case, matching, payment type. Okay, so thank you for everyone.